What up? I'm Melissa Fortune, or Created by Fortune, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to take you through the 4 pairs of sunglasses that I recently purchased from 12 PM Studios. And then we're going to talk about the ones that I'm eyeing. Oh my God. I'm obsessed with this brand. If you don't know, it was started by content creator Jenee Naylor. In my Falling in Love with NYC series, me and my friend, we went to Nordstrom for the 12 PM Studios pop-up shop. I had no clue that Jenee was going to be there. I ended up getting 2 pairs of sunglasses when I wasn't planning on purchasing anything. She was so nice, so lovely. She literally took her time out to speak with us. We ended up, I think I purchased 2 sunglasses. She was really nice talking us through it. Her staff was really nice. Her husband was also there. And then we decided to come back because my friend really wanted to get a pair. And then she took her time and spoke to us for about like 20 minutes, just about life, building this brand. And I have to tell you, for the price point, the quality is on point, especially the packaging. Let's get into it. Actually, before we get into the sunglasses, I wanted to show you guys this case that my friend and I were gifted this at the pop-up shop. It was closing, and because we came back, she was like, wait, how many sunglasses did you buy? I'll be right back. And she gifted this to us, which was really cool and sweet. This is a sunglasses organizer. The outside is embossed faux croc leather. Then you have the logo. Don't come for my nails. If you saw my last video, they all fell off and I'm gonna glue them back on after this. So we have the logo embossed here in gold. And then when you open it up, you have a velvet interior with the logo embossed here in gold as well, and 3 slots for your sunglasses. The slots are big enough to fit the box if you want, but if not, you could just fit the actual case in there. So now let's get into the glasses. So this first one are the Toronto shades, but let's talk about this packaging first. These glasses cost $145, and why I want to focus on the packaging first is because normally with sunglasses that are this cheap, you don't get this quality packaging. We're talking about a really nice, sturdy hard box. Okay, and then you have faux embossed croc case with the logo embossed in gold, the logo embossed in gold again, and the front of the case here is hard to protect your sunglasses from breaking. From my experience as a designer, packaging is not cheap, and that is the one place companies will skim. I don't want to say skim because it's so expensive. If you want to keep costs down low, one of the first places you skimp on is the packaging. Hopefully before you skimp on the product. So the first style is the Toronto, and it costs $145. We have the yellow lenses and the logo embossed here in the corner. Not sure if you can see it behind my thumb, but we have the logo embossed on the lens here. Gold hardware on the inside. I love this style. This is pretty much what I wear damn near every single day, and they're just perfect for adding a little bit of oomph to your attitude. Of course, this is like an aviator shape that fits on a lot of faces, and I do have to say, one of the reasons that I purchased from her in the first place is because I have really big cheeks, so I've always had an issue with oversized shades and them interfering with my face. These glasses are designed so well. They fit across the board on so many different faces, and you really don't see that with a lot of brands, even with luxury brands. This is crazy. Every single shade that I tried on looked good to me. It took me at least 20 minutes to figure out what to buy the day I went to the pop-up shop. The second pair that I purchased the day of the pop-up are the Legos, and I forgot to mention, because I don't know what I did with the duster bag for the Toronto shades, but the glasses also come in a little duster bag. You're getting a box, a case, and a little duster, and on top of that you get an embossed lens cleaner. Come on, son, you cannot beat that. You get bang for your buck with this brand. The lenses are so dirty, oh my God. Let me use the cleaner. I recently went on a trip with my aunt. It was a cruise to, it was like St. Kitts, St. Martin. It was a lot. I'd never been to a Caribbean cruise that was that jam-packed. You know what? I'll post the link up there too. The Legos is what I wore the entire time. They're just perfect. Again, go with everything. My friend said, these are given, you on somebody's yacht, they given rich. And I would have to agree. These are the Lego shade, and I got sand in these glasses, y'all. I gotta clean these. So you have this black inner rim with the gold outer rim, gold on the side with, I don't know what these are called here, but the, I don't know, plastic ear coverings. I don't know. And again, you have 12 PM embossed on the lens. Y'all, let me hide my elf ears. Okay. Like, I don't even have to say anything. These are so dope. They are giving, I paid at least $350 for them when these cost, what did I say, $125, I think? And of course, I'll have all these glasses linked, but Jenee's kind of pissing me off a little bit because she about to take all my money. Some of those new glasses that they dropped, I just got these. How many more sunglasses do I need to get for one fucking brand? Okay, next we have, ooh, Milon, sold out, cost about $135. I love me an oval shape. I also brought these on vacation and they're perfect because the lenses are blacked out. Ooh, these are so sexy. So these are the Milons. It'll go detail here, the logo embossed on the lens. These are incredible. Absolutely stunning. I know I'm being dramatic. Am I the drama? Because I'm obsessed with this brand. The only thing I have to say about these glasses, and maybe it's because I have a big head, the arms, I don't know what you call these things. This is a little tight on my head. I do have one of the tiny screwdrivers, so maybe I'll just look up a YouTube video to make sure I do it properly. You know, when you get your glasses done, they could always tighten these, so there's definitely a way to loosen this. And just for me, it's a little tight, but maybe that's because I have a big head. I don't know. Last but not least, we have the New York. Wait, what does she call it? The NYCs. This glasses I haven't worn at all yet. I'm absolutely obsessed. I got the ones with the black lenses. They also come with red lenses, which is also super cute. What I love about these, when we spoke to Jenee during the pop-up, she talked about how this design in particular was very intentional. I feel like she said something about the hair blockers or something like that, but she also mentioned like designing the type of glasses she would want, and these are like at the time were her favorite. And this was before she had all these additional styles on the website. She also talked about these being great for the airport. You know, those days where you just want everything and everyone just like blacked out. This is it. I love that these are really sleek. You have the 12 p.m. embossed on the lens, but you also have it embossed on the sides here. Initially on the website, these weren't my top choice, but once again I saw in person in the store, I was like, ooh, these are so dope. I love this little white detail here. Initially I didn't love it, but it grew on me. You also have the embossing on the inside. Look how dope these are. I love how it's kind of like a gradient. It's a little darker up here, then kind of fades to be lighter. And these fit my big head fine. It's just a Milon that I have to get whitened. But these are so freaking cool. And definitely, I feel like it gives that NYC vibe of just bold, fashionable, and making a statement. Don't remember if I said the price for these, but these are $135. Also, the website does accept Shop Pay. If you haven't used Shop Pay, it's very similar to Afterpay, Klarna, or Affirmed, where if you do get approved for an account, you could break the payment down into 4 equal payments. Because Shop Pay is affiliated with Affirm, sometimes it will give you more options to break it down into more payments if you make a larger purchase. Okay, so those are the 4 pairs that I got. Let's talk about the ones that I'm currently eyeing on the website. And I'll put the images up on the left side. The number 1 is Copenhagen. Oh my God, it costs $145. But when I tell you, the picture on the website does not do it justice. Like the picture of the glasses itself does not do it justice. You can't capture the detail. When I saw a video of her wearing it, I damn near lost my shit. I can't remember if it was on YouTube or if it was on her social media. Either way, I'm gonna find it and I'll link it down below. And I'll link all the styles as well. These glasses are so beautiful. I love that it's just not another tortoise frame. It's something different and it feels so special. Okay, so it does say rich tortoise tones, which it is. Pattern itself is more of a marble. Next, Aspen with the blue lens. Oh my God, this one, I was kind of like, oh, I don't know. And then I saw it on her again. And I was like, I need these too. So the Aspen is $155. It has a blue lens and a black frame. Also comes in brown, which is really pretty. It's a brown tortoise frame with, it looks like a black lens, but it could be a dark brown. I'm just not seeing that within the images. I'm gonna link the video that pissed me off because it made me want these glasses. They look so good. Oh my God. Okay, so next, London. I really do want these shades, but I also put them at the bottom of my list only because I have something similar from Elisa Johnson. And before I get something that is similar to something I already have, I want to get all the other styles first because they're so completely different and you don't see these silhouettes at any affordable price points. So London comes with a silver frame blue lens, silver again with a brown lens, gold with a green lens, that's the one I'm eyeing, and then gold with a nude lens color. And these are $135. Is it? Oh, they range. It's between $125 and $135. Okay, next, Toronto and Cherry. Oh my God, these are beautiful. You already know I love the Toronto style itself, and it looks so good on my face. The cherry color is chef's kiss, and again, it's very different. I really haven't seen anything like this before. Toronto also comes in a black frame with smoke lenses, and all three colorways are $145. I need to get them before they sold out, but I'm supposed to be on a shopping freeze just for a little bit. Damn. Oh, that is everything. The rest of these on the bottom I already got. Definitely, if you're looking for new sunglasses, support 12 p.m. Studios. Besides the fact that this designer is incredible, from a designer as well, the quality is so top notch. And she talked about when we met her that we deserve luxury things at affordable price points. And I definitely love that. And I could see that throughout the designs within her products. She's definitely given the people a bang for their buck. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you watched it till the end, make sure to like this video, leave a comment. If you're into fun, fashionable, and relatable content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You're already here. You clearly like it. You like me, I like you. So let's make this a thing. And hit that notification bell. That way you get notified anytime I drop another video. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.